Zoom app is not working or Zoom app has been stopped. Hello friends, welcome to Android Tips YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. Zoom app is not working or Zoom has been stopped. Zoom app has been stopped. So before we get started, please do like and subscribe this YouTube channel, that is Android Tips, and please hit the bell icon for latest Android tip videos. So without spending much time, let's get started. So friends, if you are facing this kind of problem, Zoom app is not working, Zoom app has been stopped, I cannot show you exactly how to fix with this problem, but I can only tell you to do those things so that you will find easily to fix with this problem. So there are two steps how to fix with this problem. Step one, you can simply you can simply switch off and switch on your device and then try logging in with your Zoom app, so it might fix this problem. Step 2, you can simply go to settings, and then go to apps, and then go to manage apps, and then search for Zoom app. Here. You'll find somewhere here. And then so Zoom app here is it. So simply tap on here, step here, and then you just need to clear the data of this app. After clearing data, simply log in with your Zoom account, and then I hope you won't find that problem again. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching the video.